Hello, I am Umesha Yamma. Today I am going to discuss regarding nature of ethics. Ethics is the science and systematic knowledge. It deals with certain judgments that make about human conduct. It also deals with systematic explanation of rightness or wrongness in the light of the highest good of man. Ethics are concerned with what must be done rather than what is the case. It differs from positive science. Ethics deals with facts and explains them by their causes. Ethics deals with standards or norms by which it can judge human actions to be right or wrong. That is, which one is right, which one is wrong. It explains with the facts and the causes. For example, when we are walking on the road, if if we find something which is harmful to human being, that should be removed from the particular place. That is, if we walk out simply, that is not right. That is, it explains the facts and its impacts on the human being. It may be human being or it may be for animals. For example, we are using plastics and simply we are thrown to the dustbins, and if public, either the cows or the buffaloes, if they eat, that is harmful to the health. That is, animals don't know and they simply eat with the other, either the vegetables or the fruits or the other things. That is, it tells how to behave, where to throw plastics or how to remove the plastics. Here, ethics does not teach how to live a moral life, but ethics cannot be regarded as a practical science. Ethics does not teach an art as to how to lead a moral life. Rather, it helps us to justify rightness or goodness, which can lead to the supreme goal of life, that is, to realize the human life. That is, one should realize himself what is good, what is bad, or what is right, what is wrong. That is, in every human beings, in every day, where we will came to the different situations, but in the particular situations, how to behave. For example, when we are traveling in a bus, if aged people comes and if we simply sitting in the particular seat, that is not the right in the particular situation. That is how to behave in the particular situation. A ideal in the ethical sense is defined as any regulatory principle that controls or lays guidelines to thought and mood of acting. But nowadays, some of the rules and regulations is enforced by the government. That is how to go by the right or the wrong. Here, ethics deals with moral phenomena and it observes and classifies them and explains them by the moral ideal, and it distinguishes moral judgments from logical judgments and aesthetic judgments and reduces them to a system. Here, ethics is an art as it sets guidelines for practical conduct and also for understanding the meaning of what it is to act in an ethical manner. Here, importance of ethics. Here, ethics is moral philosophy. It is a branch of philosophy that involves systematizing, defending, and recommending concepts. Here, business ethics is the concept which has come to mean various things to various people, but it is coming to know what is right or wrong in the workplace and doing what is right. This is in regard to effects of products or services and in relationships with stakeholders. For example, in the case of the business, if the particular product is produced by the particular company and if it is in harmful to either to society or to environment, that should not be done by the particular company. Next, business ethics and social responsibility. The second importance is large organizations or publicly held companies often use corporate governance to promote business ethics and social responsibility. This governance creates the framework of policies, procedures, and guidelines for all individuals financial invested in a company. For example, in the case of the shareholders, ability to build the relationship with stakeholders, either in the case of the presentation or in the case of the recording of the business transaction, that is transparency in transactions, that is legal problems and penalties, investor and customer loyalty and confidence, that is business ethics. And next one is ethics in training. The ethics program is essentially useless unless all staff members are trained about what it is. If staff members doesn't know at that time, it is useless. But how it works and what are the rules and responsibilities of each individual staff member in the particular organization, whether the particular person is working honestly or not. No matter how fair and up to date is a set of policies, the legal system will often interpret employee behavior as de facto policy. And next one is business ethics is involved in management discipline, that is for performance or in the case of the revenue or in the case of the profit or in the case of the customer satisfaction. That is how they are managing these things. That is since the birth of the social responsibility movement in the 1960s, social awareness movements raised expectations of business to use their massive financial and social influence and address social problems such as poverty, crime, environmental protection, equal rights, public health, and improving education. And lastly, that is ethics influence and contributes to employee commitment and cost control and the ability to build relationship with the stakeholders of the company. This is regarding nature and importance of ethics. Thank you.